So yes, this was one of the things I wanted, and this was one of the things I wanted. Adorable owls and thanks a bunch, which obviously this can go with the bunnies for carrots, right? Carrots for Easter. But they have it for spring. Looks like spring. Love you a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Everything's coming up carrots. There's no one quite like you. So I like that one. It's different. I don't have anything like that. I do have an owl set, but it's also different than this. These are cute. These are cute. Well, Hoot Hoot, you're so cute. I might use for like a granddaughter or something. It's Your Day is okay. I don't know if I'd use this for my friends because it's cutesy, but I'd add other sentiments to it probably. So anyway, I did get those. I got more than I wanted, really, out of the Sale-a-Bration. These are what I wanted. I ended with a lot more because I put in too big of an order again. This is one I didn't really want, but I picked it because I needed another $50 or something. And I don't really have too many sentiments like this, like encouraging, giving hope, sending support. So I thought, well, it's something I don't have a lot of. I could use it. I don't like the sentiments are so small. That is my problem with this. I do like the type with the scripty kind of font mixed together. But we have some days are harder than others. Sending loving thoughts and prayers. Hope today is one of the easier ones. There are so many ways you might feel right now. Alone shouldn't be one of them. So you have an inside, outside. Here for you always. Good luck. It's okay not to feel okay. That's a true thing. You've got this. My shoulder is yours, and courage is being really scared and doing it anyway. So they're good sentiments. They're just a little smaller than I would like, and they are red rubber. Then I apparently qualified for the host item, which I didn't realize that they just tell you you qualify, so stick it in your cart. I don't know what you do if you don't want this, but anyway, I stuck it in my cart because I qualified for it. You have to have over 300, and I tried really hard to. I think those trays brought me over more than I wanted to be, the marker trays, and the kit, which wasn't on my original list, the kit for $12. So I did get this, and it is pretty. It's gorgeous. I love the gate. I like gates. I have a Thomas Kincaid gate picture in my dining room, and it's really pretty. It's a lot of coloring, but you know I have it, and it's red rubber also. Now I also got papers from Sale-a-Bration. 3 of them, I believe. Oops. Okay, so the first one is called Dainty Flowers. I'm sorry this is so long. Dainty Flowers 12 by 12. It coordinates with a Dainty Delight bundle in the mini catalog on page 55. I did not get that. I told you I'm trying not to get many floral stamp sets. And I have 2 other wildflower, dainty flower kind of bundles. And I'll just keep them, and hopefully they'll work with this paper. I'll figure it out. I do like this paper. Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry, Fresh Freesia, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Rich Raspberry, and Starry Sky. Now see, the thing about this, Fresh Freesia goes away with the new catalog probably. Starry Sky will stay around for another year. Doesn't matter to me because I'm keeping them until I don't want them anymore. But I love this sheet of paper here. So let's just see that one. Sort of, I'm sorry I'm so far back, but I have no room. You know what? Hang on. Let me try and put some of these on the floor temporarily. Hopefully my chair won't roll over them. I'm going to try and put this stuff away because I have other stuff to do today. I wasn't even going to do this today, but I need to get it all put away before I move on to my next projects. Okay, now we have a little more room so you can see the paper better. This one's also pretty, and it's one of those that if you just cut this at 6 and then 4 and 4, then you can fit it right on a Memories and More card, right? 6 by 4. Gorgeous. And you know what? There's little dragonfly trinkets would be cute on this. Just saying. And then the back is all green. I might use that as a background and put something else over it. I don't know. I prefer this side. Well, I could use that green as a background and have these on it. I love these. I never know quite how to use these, and I'd have to find an oval that they fit in. Maybe some of the stitched ovals that Stampin' Up! Has will work around them. I don't know. We'll find out. And then the other side is this watercolor and splatter one, which you can use for basically anything. More greenery. I don't know why I like green, but I don't like it all green. Although this has different shades. It's okay. It's not my favorite sheet either. And this is fresh freesia with, it's like tone on tone. Odd dots, not evenly spaced. This one's pretty. Fresh freesia, rich raspberry, and greens. Now that I like. See, if it's green with some color, other color in it, I like it. And this is Starry Sky. This has all the colors. Very pretty and dainty. I like the dainty part of it. And this is, I forget what color, Blushing Bride, I think. And it's sort of a tone on tone. I like that one. I don't know why, because of the tone on tone, I guess. And it's pink. So let me see, is that Blushing Bride? Yes. I kind of wish, though, that Stampin' Up! Would stop doing so much paper in Sale-a-Bration. Because for those of us who have an overabundance of paper, I'd rather see stamp sets you could choose from, I think. I'll bite my tongue if they change it and then they're all ugly stamp sets or something. Now this one is called Favored Flowers, 12 by 12. It has Basic Black, Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Evening Evergreen, which is one that's going to go away probably at the end of the annual catalog, which is the end of April, I think. Fresh Freesia, same thing. Mossy Meadow, and Petal Pink. So, I have seen some absolutely stunning cards with these papers. I don't know which way. I think this is right. Stunning cards with these. Now these colorway is not my favorite. I think I turned it wrong there. I don't know. It seems to go anyway. But I have seen people fussy cutting some of these flowers out and just making gorgeous cards with them. Mossy Meadow, I think, on the back. This looks to be Evening Evergreen more. These are gorgeous purple with the Fresh Freesia. And on the back is this Blackberry Bliss or Rich Raspberry? Blackberry Bliss. I love Blackberry Bliss with Fresh Freesia on it too. Love Blackberry Bliss. It's like a nice neutral purple, if that makes any sense. These fussy cut out pretty well. If you have, it goes with the Fragrant Flowers bundle in the January to April mini on page 21, which I didn't get. But I don't like fussy cutting, but I would fussy cut some of those. And various greens again. All the colors mixed. I don't really like the corals with the purple. I don't know why. but that's just me. And Petal Pink, I think, or yeah, I don't know, or Pale Papaya, I'm not sure. I think it's Petal Pink. Now here it's okay because you can fussy cut these individually, or if you have dies from the bundle, I'm sure they probably die cut out or something. Fresh freesia there. And these are pretty too, by themselves. Yep. And Calypso Coral on that one. So that is the fragrant favored flowers. The stamp set is fragrant flowers. Now all they have to do is name the paper the same as the stamps and the dies, and we'll be in luck. I have one more, and then I'll let you go, or you can probably already leave. But anyway, this is Sale-a-Bration on page 14. And I don't know, let me get my Sale-a-Bration, because I thought it was for free with 100, and I didn't have, I got it, but I thought I was getting Beautifully Happy, but for some reason I didn't get that, but I got the paper, and I probably should have gotten Beautifully Happy. But you know what? It's a floral set. Maybe I changed my mind because it's a floral set. I don't know. And if I look at the sentiments, for a very happy birthday, kindness matters, thank you. You are easy to love, for a feeling better kind of day, and sending happy thoughts. There are a couple sentiments in there I would use, but some of the other ones I wouldn't. And it's, I think it's two-step. I'm not so good at two-step. Anyway, so I ended up getting more paper. Okay, so this one is called Dandy Designs, and the colors are Balmy Blue, Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, which I like, Fresh Freesia, Granny Apple Green, Mango Melody, and Petal Pink. However, when I look through this, I think there's some other colors in here too. Brighter color. Maybe it was Coastal Cabana and I didn't remember seeing that. So it's very bright and cheerful. And you get, this reminds me of the 70s. I'm a 70s teenager girl, you know. So you get, let's see, 1, 2, 4 of each double-sided design. So this has stars. That would be nice for a celebration, or I don't know, maybe 4th of July, but definitely looks 70s, right? I'm going to put these right back in my pack here. This looks like Petal Pink on this side, and zigzaggy lines in various colors on the back. Can be used for anything, really. It could be used as a background for those other flowers we just saw, come to think of it. Okay, these all over polka dots, which are pretty for a birthday or anything, child, you know, new baby, anything. And the back is mostly Petal Pink, I think. And then this one, sort of like a computer geeky one, I don't know. It almost looks like square dimensionals, different colors. And the back is a pretty Fresh Freesia floral. These are nice for spring. I'm thinking spring for these. There's like a checked gingham kind of thing in Fresh Freesia. And the back is also Fresh Freesia. So you could use both of them together on a project. And then this one, I think, did I say Calypso Coral? Yes. Calypso Coral stars. And the back is a pretty check. The paper does have an odor. This one has an odor, like the ink. That's a wow, knock your socks off pattern there with Mango Melody. Glad they used Mango Melody. I don't know why they got rid of the Mango Melody alcohol marker, but I kept mine. So hopefully it won't run out of ink. So that's the other pattern. This one, it said Balmy Blue, but I think I was forgetting it had Coastal Cabana, because I was thinking, oh, it almost looks like it has Coastal Cabana Balmy Blue are the only blues it says, and then so Coastal Cabana is like this and Balmy Blue is like that. So what's this blue? And this almost looks like a pale turquoise, or, and so I was thinking Tahitian Tide was in here, but now I'm not, it doesn't say that. But that's, this is like, I love those colors. And Balmy Blue on the back. I would air this one out. You might get a headache. I hate to say that, but this is Balmy Blue and Balmy Blue. Pretty. Love that blue. That looks like Coastal Cabana. See, it's more of a green blue, right? And that other paper had, oh, I'm going to like the back of this one. Okay. Gorgeous. Love that Balmy Blue with Coastal Cabana plaid. Yeah, pretty. And this isn't plain. It has little, what are the six-sided hexagon? I don't know. Whatever that is. Here's your Granny Apple Green. Wow. I think I'll save that for Halloween, if I remember. But that's pretty. That's nice for Easter, spring and Easter. Yeah, very pretty. I'm very happy that they're only doing Sale-a-Bration once a year, because I really don't need any more paper. So at least I have a whole year to use this up before next Sale-a-Bration, right? And then some if I decide. So this one has also Balmy Blue, I think, Coastal Cabana. It has three colors, Balmy Blue, Coastal Cabana, and Granny Apple Green. And then the back is this Granny Apple Green. And there's, like I said, there's 4 sheets of all of them. So that is your Dandy Designs 12 by 12 from Sale-a-Bration. That is free with a $100 order. So if you don't like all the florals, but you don't mind a few 70s looking ones, maybe you like this paper instead of some of the other $50 ones. I think my favorite out of all those is this one. There is another paper that I did not get, and I'll show it to you because it's just not me. And it goes with On the Farm bundle, which I also didn't get in the mini catalog. It's the Day at the Farm. I appreciate farmers. I love going out in the countryside, as rare it is to find any nowadays around here, and seeing the animals and stuff, but I'm not a farmer. I wouldn't make cards with the farm stuff on it, I don't think. So I couldn't figure out a use for it. If you make journals and do that kind of stuff with it, great. But it wasn't, especially these big scenes or scrapbook, if you do scrapbooks, but I don't. So it wasn't for me. But it might be for you. And it's not that it's not pretty, it's just not my style. Flowers are my style. Like, I love that card. Anyway, you know, that's it. I've been on here a long time, guys, like over an hour. So I'm going to let you go because I need to edit this video and get it uploaded and have lunch and then change over, get this stuff put away and then change over to jewelry today. All right, everyone. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, sorry it's so long, but that's why I did it as a separate video. I knew it would be. And I hope to talk to you again very soon. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.